Okay, I've got a squirrel out here.
And y'all see this squirrel? He is in the top of this pole that usually has birds in it during the summer. I have no idea what he's looking for. Look at him. He's just down in there. What's happening in the yard of Spinny Loves Dolls today? Look at him. I hope you guys can see this. He's cute. He's a fat little booger. It's coming in clear to me. Wait till he peeps his head out one more time. What in the world is he finding so entertaining inside that pole? Hey, squirrely, squirrely. He's still looking in there. He's gonna fall. Maybe he's hidden some nuts in there. Strange things go on in this backyard. Well, I thought I'd let you see that. This guy is really busy. Bye from Spinny Loves Dolls. So how'd he get off of it?
The post?
Uh-huh.
Jump onto the limb.
Where's he at now?
On the tree.
That's a big tree. I can't find him. He's gone.
There he is. On that limb that sticks out to the pole.
Oh, I see him.
You finally go back.
You run him off. Where? There he is. Hey, fella.
Is it coming back?
Hi, fella. Yeah, he's coming back. He's coming back. Yeah. He's getting ready to jump. Now he can hear me.
Did he run back?
He's working on it. I keep my hand still. No, he can see this light on his camera. Oh, well. We're squirrel watching this morning. I mean, this afternoon. Maybe I should name him. I don't know. Just thought you all might be interested.